Guess what's up? It's a Duckturr. A lot has happened since the last video. I got the springs installed. Leaf springs, 2 extra leaves right here. So now we got plenty of clearance. And also installed the spacers. So it's 1.5 inches wider on each side, so 3 inches in total. What else? Backup light right there. Gosh, I don't even know what I did since the last video. Oh yeah, the flaps, the mud flaps. Right there. So now the people driving behind don't have to suffer as much. Oh, the lights for the license plate. And it was quite a pain. There was a cable damaged and I had to find that, so that took forever. And now I'm about to start on... Oh yeah, and also put a pallet there. This is a European standard pallet made of plastic, and it just fits underneath there as if it was made for it. Supporting the top a bit, and I can kind of use it like a roof rack. Strap things in there. And I connected that whole thing just with a ratchet strap for now. Put that round bit in there. So the inside looks pretty raw still, but I'm about to put the bench in the back here for seating and for sleeping. Oh, the windows, I had to reseal them, so that took about a half a day. And I bought this diamond plate stuff. Part of it I'm going to use for the floor, and I'm also going to build some, I'm going to at least try to build some boxes that will go underneath here. So anyways, this is what it looks like now. It's been highway tested. Nothing fell off as far as I can tell. And oh, and the top bend is a little more symmetrical now. I kind of just pushed something from the back in there. So you can tell it's a bit of a wider stance now. Gives more stability. And oh, I think the lock I mentioned last time, huh? Put a lock in there. And today I'm cutting more pieces for that bench.